The best title for this paragraph is A. Questions about tests, B. Types of tests, C. How to fail in 9 easy lessons, or D. How to pass hard exams. As we've seen, the correct answer is B. Types of tests. Let's take a closer look at the other choices and see why they are not appropriate options for a title for this paragraph. C, How to Fail in 9 Easy Lessons, can immediately be crossed off, as this paragraph doesn't give us any tips on how to fail, nor does it give us tips on how to do anything in 9 easy lessons. Therefore, this is not a contender for the best title of the paragraph. D, How to Pass Hard Exams, can likewise be crossed off, as again, nowhere in the paragraph do we see any tips on how to pass hard exams. We are left with 2 choices: questions about tests and types of tests. A, Questions about tests, does seem like it might make a good title, but we have to look closer at the wording. It says questions about tests. While we see in the paragraph several sentences about questions on tests, such as questions that are not worded the same way you studied them, or questions with multiple choice answers that appear to say the same thing, nowhere do we see in the paragraph questions about tests. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect as well. Our correct answer, types of tests, is something we see reflected in the topic sentence of our paragraph, which happens to be the first sentence. The narrator tells us that as far as he is concerned, there are only 2 types of tests, the easy to fail and the WIT. This is our topic sentence, and we see this idea reflected in the rest of the paragraph that describes these 2 types of tests in detail. Because this title reflects the topic sentence and main idea, it makes choice B the perfect choice for a title for our paragraph.